Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox games on your computer. First, you'll need to download the Roblox Player application directly from the official Roblox website. Once downloaded, install it on your computer. Next, either create a brand new, free Roblox account or simply log in using your existing credentials. It's a quick and easy process, taking only a few minutes to set up. Once you're logged in, you can explore the incredibly vast library of games available on the Roblox platform. You'll find thousands of unique experiences created by other players. Use the search bar and filters to easily discover games by genre, popularity, or specific keywords. When you find a game that sparks your interest, simply click on its icon to see more details, then hit the prominent green play button to launch it. Roblox games generally utilize intuitive keyboard and mouse controls. You'll typically use the W, A, S, D keys on your keyboard to move your character around the game world. The mouse is essential for controlling your camera view, allowing you to look around and interact with objects. The spacebar is commonly used for jumping, and other keys will be assigned to specific in-game actions, which are often explained within each game. For a safe and enjoyable experience, remember to utilize Roblox's robust parental controls and privacy settings. You can also personalize your in-game avatar with millions of clothing items, accessories, and animations, many of which are free or cost just a few Robux. Engage with the community respectfully, and if you ever encounter inappropriate behavior, use the reporting tools available to maintain a positive environment for everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.